Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Friday, June 16th. Thank goodness it's Friday. So we've had a wild week with the Fed announcing to pause the interest rates. What do we have today? Today we have some 10 o'clock news, and we have the preliminary University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Report, as well as the preliminary University of Michigan inflation expectations. Those are both pretty interesting numbers. Obviously, the 10 o'clock, the consumer sentiment is the big one, and it's a high impact item. So be prepared for that at 10 o'clock. And then we have the Fed monetary policy report, which will trickle out sometime during the day. There's no specific time for that. It is what it is. So Friday, looks like we've broken out for sure. We took out this high from August 16th. The next real milestone is up here, is the from April of 2022. Where could we go? Well, we got a really nice low cut volume node right there at 44.89, but that's awfully close. I don't think we're going to have any trouble getting through that. Then we hit the round number of 4,500. And there's really not much around there. 4504, the possible target today. If we go to the downside, we could definitely go back and come back into this low volume node around 4432. So those are sort of the bigger picture of what's going on. Now, I've just got horizontal trend lines here because we just don't have anything obvious yet for a trend line. So we've kind of broken out of the ascending wedge, and we'll have to see what happens if we just continue to go up. That being said, let's see. Let's go to the inventory. Inventory was very, very high yesterday because we had price was up a lot, totally correlated. Therefore, nothing to be worried about. Market seems to be working. I know it seems crazy that it's working as it should. The VIX is around 14, and I honestly have a real hard time understanding the VIX because I see volatility as being very high, being very risky up in these areas up here. The VIX is at multi-year lows. That being said, again, market is acting like it should. What else do we have? We've got the intraday here. Intraday, where are support and resistance? So we have some resistance up around 44.85, which was the high of yesterday. High of yesterday was 85.50. So there's a little bit of resistance around yesterday's high. Around 4,500, actually 4,501, you've got a little bit of area confluence, and you have to kind of go all the way up to 4,541 before you get any other levels of confluence. That's for potential resistance. Potential support, lots of support around 4467. You can see all those lines there, 4467. Then you see we got to squish it down to get to 4426.50. That would be the next level. And that's all I'm going to do, just those two levels for support. The Stock Traders Almanac for today is 57.1, so a slight bias of 7.1% above the 50% level. That's from the Stock Traders Almanac. And another thing you got to remember today, Fridays are always hard, but today is quadruple witching day. What does quadruple witching day mean? It means that the stock futures, the stocks index futures, stock index options, stock options, and single stock derivatives are all expiring today. So there's 4 classes of assets that have options or contracts that are expiring. So that's what that means. Remember, for all 4, you have to have stock index futures, stock index options, stock options, single stock derivatives, all expiring on today. That makes it a quadruple witching for your Friday. Hope you have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Have a good weekend. I'll see you guys on Monday. Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the TroyLevels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.